welcome back to my channel, or if you are new here, thank you so much for watching this video. So as you guys saw by the title and the thumbnail, this video is basically just a thank you to Quantisha. Very sweet girl that I went to high school with. She is a subscriber of mine, long time honestly friend that I grew up with, and I'm so very thankful. This video goes out to you. Thank you so much for contacting me and asking me if I wanted your old MacBook. It means the absolute world. If you guys have been on my channel for a long time now, you guys know that I have been saving up for my own MacBook. So this one will be a great starter for me to just jumpstart my channel, have better quality for you guys, be able to do more in iMovie. But I will insert the sorry it's getting brighter, the sun is like starting to rise. I will insert messages between us two just so you guys can kind of see that we did not exchange any money for this. She contacted me, said you're the perfect person and I'm willing to give it to you, and I offered her money and she said no, like I'm giving it to you. Just couldn't be more like blessed and thankful for this to happen to me, just because I have literally been trying to save up, and you know, every birthday it's just something, or Christmas something. So this video is basically just a thank you to her and a little bit of a like congratulations for this channel, because hopefully my videos will be, you know, getting better with the quality and everything for you guys, because that's the only reason I do this, is for you guys. It's so much fun and I love filming on YouTube, but I honestly I love YouTube. It's a great interaction and platform if you use it right. I feel like there's always a sense of negativity on it, but if you use it in a positive light, then it's much healthier for yourself and for your viewers. There's always gonna be that negativity somewhere. Somebody's always gonna have something to say, but if you shed the positivity back and you don't let it bother you, honestly, like, it's impossible with what you can do and what you can achieve. But yeah, I am trying to get my Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 palette film for you guys. I know it's taking forever, but I have a few videos and stuff like that I'm trying to edit right now, but it will be up hopefully soon, you guys. I'm so sorry. But yeah, so a little bit of background about the laptop. I am still currently editing on my phone as of right now, because I did send the laptop off to get the battery fixed. She notified me of this in the messages that the battery did need to be fixed. It's a little bit older of a Mac, so I want to make sure that I'll be able to like take this, you know, places and be able to use it without the battery dying, because the way that I saw it was when it was plugged in, it would be perfectly fine, and then when it was unplugged, the battery would just die really fast. But I'm just so thankful, you guys. Like, I told my mom, I was like, God works in such like amazing ways, because it's like, I had been really like having a crappy week and stuff, and then I just get this message where a friend from high school is like, oh, do you want my MacBook? And it's just like, oh, like, I don't know like how else to like describe it. It was just, I needed that, you know what I mean? So thank you, Quantisha, and I'm just so thankful, you guys. I can't wait to see like where this channel goes. I'm very excited. I am super busy with school, but I've been trying to still get videos out at least 1 to 2 a week for you guys, just so you guys have something to watch, because I know a lot of you guys are like, I've watched your video like 3 or 4 times. I need something new. I'm trying. I really am trying. I promise you. So sorry about the sun visor. Okay guys, so this is the MacBook Pro that I'm talking about that I got. I'm just so grateful, you guys, and God really is good that, you know, this friend from high school reached out to me and thought of me to give this MacBook to, just because I never would have thought in a million years that this would even be possible for me to even have one. Even the fact that I didn't buy it with my own money, like it was actually given to me. I'm just so grateful and so thankful. Thank you again, Quantisha, for this laptop. I'm so happy, and I know you're happy that you could give it to someone that could get use out of it. It's a little bit of an older MacBook, but it's gonna work perfectly for uploading videos a lot faster for you guys, and being able to upload a lot faster on the go instead of uploading everything through my phone that takes literally hours and hours and hours.